Spinning, but it's working.
You good, Carlos?
And that's the 4.5?
2-1.
2-0. I didn't put them, but that's what they said. Hey, is this normal? And they're like, oh no, we'll send you.
Nice, Brian. That was a good one.
You want to run?
Yeah. Hey, finally I got a car that goes pretty good. I got that over the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, just
It'll
for
never
like
get hot.
runs. Yeah, you drive on.
Tell me something good. When I'm hungry, I get unhappy.
Get
Not
angry.
not a good sight.
Oh, God, yeah. That would be ridiculous. I know, right?
Bitch is balling right now, boy. They're screeching, huh? Huh? Yeah. Reaction. On it got the blue foams in there, I think, in this one. Turned up too much on you. Go up. Yeah, stay there. Loop.
Is it tight?
Yeah.
That's a good one. I had to let off for a minute. I was gonna hit the cones. I had to curve instead. Better off.
Motherfucker. Nice hit.
Pero que frene.
You are the king at crashes, my friend.
Charlie? No. It red lighted me.
You ready? I won anyway.
I red lit. And Benji ain't go through his beam. I red lighted.
Hey, I'll be back. spinning.
You want to take you out twice?
Woo! 70%. Look.
What are them, like 1.7s? You're driving the hell out of that thing.
I thought he was going to crush you right between that wall.
Sound like I blew my shit. 1.7? Oh. Bet you didn't break the beam, you went through my side?
Yeah.
You motherfucker.
Hello, Russ.
Get up out of there, Pinky. Get up out of there, baby. Yeah, leave Benji ass this. Oh, I broke. Ain't-
Things all over the place.
I broke.
Hold on, he's gonna break the beam.
Set me up. I ain't trying to take it easy. I ain't trying to give it too much. Got air in that tire. I don't want to pop them.
You can use them shits don't balloon on you? Oh, you don't got battery tray.
They're
And I hit the brakes.
Did anybody notice the difference? I hope this camera's on. See him? You see the difference in his car?
Oh, yeah.
You know, whoa, no more, right? Now he couldn't control it. See the problem? That's the problem. That's why I should have left his shit turned down. it's in pieces. Look at my wheelie bar, bro.
It's fine. Nothing happened to it. With the ramp.
I got mine checked.
I didn't worry about that. You didn't do that. I hit the wall. I hit the wall. No, Kev.
Yeah.
Check Kev out. He run a kill out. He run that kill out for me. Oh man, we in trouble now. That's a nice car right there, man.
Yeah, it's old.
These are the voodoos on air. Let's see what they do. For real? Yeah, I let off.
Take a little while on
That's crazy at 230. I just ran, I didn't touch nothing with the reactions. I ran a 2.4 something or some shit. That's crazy. Yeah. Set it up. Whoo! What's that about? And I went down. Woo! Get out of here.
Welcome.
Damn! That's crazy.
You're welcome. 2-2?
2-1.
2-1.
Nice racing.
Thanks, bro.
69.